Hello friends, welcome to video practical series of soft computing using Scilab. In this video, I am going to demonstrate experiment number 9, which is on a two fuzzy set operations. So here we are going to discuss about some basic operations which is performed on the fuzzy sets. Aim of this experiment is, so we have to consider the two fuzzy sets and perform the basic operations on a two fuzzy sets. So these are the two given sets. A is equal to, in a curly bracket, 1 divided by 2 plus 0.5 divided by 3 plus 0.3 divided by 4 plus 0.2 divided by 5. So this is the one way to represent a fuzzy set. So what is the meaning of this? This one represent, it's a membership function value mu, and x value is 2. For x is equal to 2, mu of x is 1. For x is equal to 3, mu of 3, it is 0.5. So like that, all the values are present in this fuzzy set. Similarly, that the second B set is given, and in between these two we have to perform the operations. So the first operation is the complement of a fuzzy set. So how to find the complement of a fuzzy set? So this is the formula is given. A complement of x is equal to 1 minus a of x. A of x is the given fuzzy set. So we have to subtract that values from the 1. So then we can get the complement of a fuzzy set. So this is the one way we can represent a fuzzy set, that the membership function value on a y-axis and the data members on a x-axis. So membership is having the two values. The fuzzy set is lies in between 0 to 1. So for the x is equal to 2, given a of x is 0, x is equal to 4, that the mu of x for the a, it is 1. For x is equal to 6 and above 6, all the values are 0. So for this a of x, the a complement will be like this. For 0 to 2, input values are 0, and then the complement of this is 1. For input value is 0, for x is equal to 4, so therefore the output is 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, so like this, the values are calculated in a complement of a given set. So here is the one example. A of x is given x1, x2, x3, x4. x1 is having the membership value is 0.1, x2 is 0.2, x3 is 0.3, x4 is 0.4. We have to subtract these values, given membership function values, from 1. So that is nothing but the complement of a given set. So 1 minus 0.1, it is 0.9. 1 minus 0.2, it is 0.8. 1 minus 0.3, it is 0.7. And 1 minus 0.4, it is 0.6. So like these values we have to calculate in a complement of a given set. Okay, so this is the first function is present, a complement of a given set. So we will the next operation is that the intersection of a two fuzzy sets. So how to find the intersection in between that the two given fuzzy sets? This is the formula is present. Mu of a intersection b is of the given data members for the x value, and minimum value is nothing but the intersection value in between that the two membership functions, mu of a of x comma mu b of x. Intersection is denoted by this sign as usual, that a intersection b for the x data members. Intersection is nothing but it's a logical AND operation. So we have to find a common part in between that the two given fuzzy sets, that is nothing but the intersection. For example, a and b, these two fuzzy sets are given with their data members, the same data members we required for the x1, x2, x3, x4. In both these a of x and b of x, these four data member values are present and their membership function values. So we have to find the minimum in between these two membership function values, and that is nothing but the intersection values. So for the x1, when you compare that, the x1 of a, it is 0.1 and x1 of b, it is 0.5. So which is the minimum? Minimum is the 0.1. So 0.1 is the minimum for the x1 in between that these two fuzzy set operations. So likewise we have to find in between x2, x3 and the x4 the minimum values corresponding to each data members, and that is nothing but the intersection in between these two fuzzy sets, that is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and the 0.4. So these are the intersection values are present. Similarly, we have to find the union in between these two fuzzy sets. E of x and B of x, it is denoted by that the as usual sign, that A union B for the x data members, and the membership function is determined by using this membership function. A union B is equal, A union B of x is equal to maximum values in between that mu of ax and mu b of x. So union is nothing but it's a logical OR function, okay, that is combines all the values, okay, in between that these two data sets or the fuzzy sets. So these are the three basic first operations are present: the complement, intersection, and union. The next example on the union. So we have to find a maximum value in a union operations. So x, and here also these four data members are given for A of x and B of x. So first element wise, that x1 we have to compare for the first membership function value, maximum value in between that the two x1s of A and B. So mu A of x1 and mu B of x1. What is the mu A of x1? It is 0.1. And what is the mu B of x2? It is 0.5. So we have to compare a maximum value in between these two values. So 0.1 and 0.5, maximum is 0.5. So likewise, we have to find the maximum values in between the next corresponding x2, x3 and x4 values, and we have to find, and that will be a final result of the fuzzy sets union operation, that the 0.5 maximum in between 0.2 and 0.7, it is 0.7. the next will be a 0.8 and 0.9. so all these the four data members values are present for x1, x2, x3, x4 with their corresponding membership function values in that the union in between that two given fuzzy sets. So the first we will see that the execution of these first three functions, okay, and then we will go for the next functions. The first we will require that the in every Scilab program, that CLC and the clear all. So then we have to first enter that the given set A is equal to, A is having the four data members, that 1, 0.5, next 0.3 and 0.2. so these are the membership function values are present for the x1, x2, x3 and x4 supports. So this is the one fuzzy set A is equal to, the second fuzzy set B is equal to 0.5, the next 0.7, 0.2 and 0.4. so this is the second fuzzy set is present. The first we have to find a complement operation, okay, so we have to find a complement of A1. so A1 is the complement of A, so A1 is equal to, we have to subtract that A from the 1, so that is nothing but the complement of A. So we can display this value, display A1, and A1 is complement of A. Similarly, complement of B, B1 is equal to 1 minus B, display B1 is complement of B. So from this we can get the complement of A and B, these two fuzzy sets. So then we also seen that the union and intersection, union is nothing but a maximum value in between that the two fuzzy sets. So in a Scilab there is a directly inbuilt function is present to find the maximum, to compare the maximum values in between that the two sets. We will use that max function to compare in between that these two arrays A and B, and store that value in that the variable A U B. So display that value, use the DISP function, display name of that variable A union B, and this is a union of A and B. Intersection, so A intersection B is equal to, intersection is nothing but the minimum value in between A and B, display A intersection B, and this is a intersection of A and B. So the first three operations we have performed here. So first save the program. Experiment number 9.sc by default and extension, and execute it. So this is the complement of A is present. So whatever the A is given, A is 1, 0.5, 0.3 and 0.2. 1 minus that 1, it is 0. 1 minus 0.5, it is 0.5. 1 minus 0.3, it is 0.7. And 1 minus 0.2, it is 0.8. Similarly, complement of B is calculated, and union of A is the maximum value in between A and B. So for that, the intersection A in so intersection is nothing but the minimum value, union is nothing but a maximum value present in between that these two fuzzy set operations. Okay, the next operation will be algebraic product of fuzzy sets. A of x multiplied with the b of x. Find the data members x from the multiplication in between mu a of x multiplied with the mu b of x for all x belongs from that the capital X. For example, here A of x and B of x is for these data member values. Multiply that the element by element, the multiplication is present in between these two fuzzy sets. So that is for the x1, 0.1 multiplied with the 0.5, that is 0.05. For the x2, 0.2 multiplied with the 0.7, it is 0.14. 0.3 multiplied with the 0.8. For the x3, it is 0.24. And for the x4, it is 0.4 multiplied with the 0.9, it is 0.36. So in that way, we have to find the algebraic product. Then is the algebraic sum. Algebraic sum, it is A of x plus B of x for the data member x is equal to x for mu of a plus b of x for all x belongs from the capital X. So what is that mu a plus b of x, which is equal to mu a of x plus mu b of x minus mu a x multiplied by mu b x. First we have to take the product of these two member function and subtract it from the addition of these two data member functions. So here the first 0.1 multiplied by 0.5, okay, and the next that is a 0.1 multiplied with this 0.5, and then subtract from the addition 0.6, that means 0.6 multiply minus 0.05, so that will be 0.55. so likewise all the values are calculated. Algebraic difference in between these two fuzzy sets are calculated by using this function x comma mu of a minus b of x for all x belongs from the capital X. How to find this mu of a minus b of x, which is equal to mu of a intersection b complement x. So that means first we have to find the complement of the second set and intersect with that the first set. Intersection is nothing but the minimum. So here the b is present, so find the b, that is complement of b of x. So this is the complement of b of x, 1 minus that the given values. So this is a 1 minus 0.5, 1 minus 0.7. so this b complement is calculated, and subtract take the intersection with that the a intersection minimum values in between that the b complement and the a, so that the algebraic difference is calculated like this. Minimum value in between that is 0.1 and 0.5, it is 0.1. 0.2 and 0.3, it is 0.2. so likewise that values are calculated. The next are the bounded sum of the two fuzzy sets A of x. This sign is used to denote a bounded sum in between that the two fuzzy sets. Find the data members for that the x mu of a plus b of